Hello and welcome to this LS1 Discovery video. My name is Drífa Örvarsdóttir and I am the LS1 Technical Support Specialist. In this video, I will go over how to set the barcode for gift cards so they can be triggered with the barcode as a tender type during a sale. I'm going to begin with setting up a few gift cards in the site manager, and to do that I go to Sales and Gift Cards and New Gift Cards. Each gift card is going to be worth 100 euros. I'm going to create 5 gift cards, and as a prefix to the number sequence, I want to add 20 in front of every gift card. This prefix is very useful to help us set up the barcodes so all the gift cards will start on the same number sequence. I can also choose if I want to make the gift cards refillable, but I'm not going to do that now. So now I just click OK, and I can view the gift cards here. So we have these 5 gift cards here that we just created, all for the amount 100 euros. And they all begin with the number 20, and then come in an increasing number sequence. Now that we've created our gift cards, we can set up the barcode that will be linked to the gift card sequence to trigger it as a tender type. And to do that, we need to create a new barcode mask for gift cards by going to Setup, Barcodes, and a barcode mask setup. And let's just call this mask gift card. And the type is going to be gift card. And for symbology, I'm going to choose no barcode, since we are just going to use a clear text. And as you should be able to recall, our prefix here is 20. And now I'm going to create the mask segments to add the numerical setup. And from type, I'm going to choose any number. And the length of the gift card number sequence is 8 characters. I click OK. And now the mask has been created. And now to be able to use the gift cards in the POS, we first need to activate them. So we simply just go into Sales, Gift Cards, and View Gift Cards, and select our first gift card here in the sequence. And we just right click on it and select Activate. And now the gift card has been activated. Now I'm logged into the point of sale, and I've added an item to my transaction. And to use the gift card, I can simply enter the barcode number here in the barcode field, or scan it if you have a scanner. And the gift card dialog opens with the gift card number, and the balance is 100 euros. So when I click OK, a tender line has been added to the transaction for a gift certificate for 100 euros, and amount due is now 200 euros. All further information regarding barcodes and gift cards can be found in our online help at ls1.com. I hope you found this video informing and helpful. Thank you for watching.